Hello all. Just now we have finished the numeric class. Inside the numeric class, side integer and side integer. Now we are focusing on single and double in this video. Okay, so single and double. Basically, before we are going to start with single and double, we have to understand the floating point concept in a Matlab. Okay, so floating point number. Floating point refers to a set of data types that encode real number including a fraction, decimals. A floating point data types allow for a varying number of digital after the decimal point, while fixed point data types have a specific number of digits reserved before and after the decimal point. So, floating point data types can represent a wider range of numbers than a fixed point of data types. Due to limited memory of number representation and storage, computer can represent a finite set of floating point number that have finite precision. This finite precision can limit accuracy of floating point computation that requires exact value of high precision, as some numbers are not represented exactly. So, despite these limits, floating point numbers are widely used due to their fast calculation and specific precision and range of solving real world problems. So, that's why the single and doubles both are come into a floating point numbers or floating point of data. So, MATLAB has data types of double precision with double, where we can see here double, and single precision with a single. Floating point numbers following like IEEE standards, which is 754 by default. Okay, so MATLAB represent a floating point number in a double precision. Double precision allows us to represent numbers to greater precision but requires more memory than single precision. That means double precision can allow us to represent a number that greater precision, but it's require a more memory than single precision. To convert the memory, we can convert a number to a single precision by using a single functions as well. Okay, so I'll show you, if you want what ranges we want to work and all these things. According to that, we can select single or double variable. So let's get started in the MATLAB how we can take a single precision or double precision number. So in a simple way, by default, if I'm creating any variable like x is equal to 20, okay, x is equal to 20, it is created in a double precision. It is created in a double precision. If I want to see the class, I want to see the class of x, like data type of x, so I'll write here one command, c is equal to class of x. So here you can see it's in a double. So sir, how can we insert a single precision number, and is that any limitation, any score, any changes we have to do? How can we enter? So I'll show you how can we enter the single precision numbers as well. Suppose if I am taking y instead of y, I'm taking some like b. B is equal to NGLP single 10. Okay. So you can see now this single precision number is added. If I want to see the class, C is equal to class of B. So it will show single price. Okay. So you are saying like by default numbers are taken in a double precision. If I want to insert some number by a forcefully in a double precision, so how can I do? So for this answer you can do like suppose F is equal to DOUBLA double or like 34. In that way I'm writing, and you can see it is taking in a double itself. If I'm seeing a class is equal to, instead of class I will write simply whose, so it will show me all data types. So you can see here for F is taken as a double. By default X I have put it as a double, and you can see here one C is equal B variable which I have, wait, you can see one more variable which I have put it in a single, which is B. Okay, B is in a single. So in that way you can work with a single precision, double precision. Double precision is having more range as compared to single precision. So according to our need, we can select single or double. This comes under a floating point data concept. Okay. So that's it all about the single and double. Okay. So thank you.